Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. In this video, we will talk about this sorted method. So this is again commonly used method, and even the name says sorted. So we will get elements in a sorted way in their natural order. Natural order means like 1, 2, 3, 4. In alphabets, it's A, B, C, D. That's the natural order. Okay, so this method will, you know, do this whole thing in one line. We don't have to write much logic on it. So just call stream, call sorted, and you will get your output. Okay, so let's go back. Again, I'll just copy one of the math class from there just to save some time, and we will do this from scratch. Not a big deal. Sorted method demo done. There it is. Let's clear this out. Let's clear this out as well. Okay, so requirement is I need to sort this collection. So this is just a collection with integer values, and now requirement is sort them out. So if I run this in this stage, if I just say before sorting, so you will get integers, right? And if I run this code application, so before sorting we are just getting elements in the same sequence, right? Now idea is call the sort method on the stream. So use reference, then call stream function or method on it, then dot, and there's a method name is sorted. Just do this, and once you are sorted, so you want to collect them, right? That's one next step. Once you are sorted, so you have to collect them. So collect collectors dot to list. I want to convert them in a list, and then list of, it gives me integers. I'll say sorted list, and done. Okay, so that's it. Call the stream, call sorted, and collect every single element into a list. And next what? Just print again. It says after sorting. Okay, so it's done. If I run this code, okay, I need to use it here before running it. So I right click, run as application. Here we are. So we're getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 10. So that's how you can go for sorted method if you are using streams on it. So this was quite straightforward. If I have a collection of, let's say, alphabets, let's do this. What if it is a collection of string? Okay, so let's create list of stream, the same example, list of string, and say strings equals new array list. Just for understanding, I won't write words, just keeping one character so we can understand. Strings dot add, let's just like ABC something. So let's say S, some random characters, let's say A, G, Q, Z, B. Okay, so if I print this out in a normal way, just with the reference without calling any sorted on it or sorted operation on it. Okay, so right click, run as application. So we're getting S, A, G, Q, Z, B in the same sequence we have inserted. Time for calling sort method. Sort works, just reference, that is strings here, then call stream method on it, and then call sorted, and then collect them. Collect collectors dot to list, and it gives me a list of sorted strings. So list of string, this is sorted strings, and equals, and then I'll say after sorting, and sorted strings goes here. Formatted the code, right click, run as application, and here we go, A, B, G, Q, S, Z. So that's how you can sort your elements if you have primitive types. What if you have, a requirement, if you have custom objects, or maybe I want to reverse this operation? In that case, we have to use a different way. So we will use, or we will see this in next video, how to customize the sorting behavior, because this is a default way, ascending order. What if you want to reverse this operation, or you have a custom objects? So we will see both scenarios in next videos. So till then, stay tuned guys. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.